Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. Today let's try and create a preset on the Boss GT-1. So I'm trying to create an ambient preset. This preset will be based on the Fender Deluxe amp. So over here on the Boss GT-1, it's been named Deluxe Crunch, and usually it comes without the mid. So that is why I've put the mid at the 0 part. So this is how it sounds like without any other extra thing added. And I'm using HSS type guitar on the 4th position. Okay, so let's add the meat and potatoes. So next thing that I'll do is the noise gate. So I'll click NS. I'll put it at, let's say 40. I think you can even edit. Oh, okay, let's keep it at 41. So the next thing that I'll add will be probably I'll put a compressor in front of this and then keep everything at 50-50. So this option, you could have it a compressor over here, and you can leave everything at 50-50 depending on your setting. And also what else will I like to add? I could probably add, let's see, okay, I'll just keep it as chorus for simplicity's sake. I'll keep the effect level at 50. You realize it sounds more vibrant now. So the last two things that I'll add will be delay and then reverb. So you can experiment. Usually, if you want a bigger sound, you can put the reverb before the delay. But if you want like a normal type of ambient preset, you could keep the delay before the reverb. So you can just experiment with the two scenarios and then it will work perfectly. I'm going for the modulate. I need a modulation type of delay. So let's see how it sounds like. So with this particular setting, you could even keep it as how it is, and then you can add a reverb like this. So this could be your final sound if you feel this is what you want to save. So let me show the reverb as well. So it's split. You can write this. We could name this as DLX Gallop. So I'm rewriting it, replacing it with that. So yeah, so you could copy, let's see, let me clear. So usually you have to clear the preset, existing preset, if you want to use like a clean sheet. Let me try and replicate what, so that we have a compressor. And then for the reverb, that's what I'll change to maybe a hall reverb. Let me choose hall 2. Let's see how it sounds. So with the reverb, with the ambient type of presets, you could have the feedback a little bit up on the delay. Let's see. So the effect level, let's bring this up a bit. Let me change this to an 8 note and see. That's way too fast. So this, I'll push it to 500. So let me pull back the effect level back to like 50 and see. Now on the hall reverb, the reverb time, I'm going to increase it to like 8 seconds. The effect level is going to be around like 61. So you could do volume swells. So if you feel that kind of preset that you want to achieve, you can do that, or you can go further and modify as you deem fit. So let's see. Feedback modulation rate, the depth. Let's put this at 100 and see how it sounds like. So this is just a new discoveries. I haven't actually tried any of these presets before. Usually you get to find new things when you experiment. Let's try the Terra Echo and see. Okay, I think it sounds like it. Keep the tone at 100. Let me bring it back to 50. I think it was at 0. If you want to achieve a heavier tone, a heavier preset, you could keep your low cut of the on the reverb around like 20 hertz. And then your high cut could go around like 12K. So yeah, this is what we came up with today. Let's try and then save it. So you have to click the right, give it a name. So DLX ambient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.